what's up, everybody? Poppin', Missouri here. Guys, today, day 17. Sunday, December 17th. 1 week from now, it's almost Christmas. That's crazy to me. 2 weeks from now, we're done with the year. That's really crazy because it feels like 6 months ago we were at Christmas time again. But we don't have any snow on the ground yet. I'm super stoked for that. Kind of miss the overtime, but hey, I get to spend more time at home, family, friends, and you guys. So, which I see as family and friends. So, it's a win-win for all of us. That's the way I see it. Maybe not you. I don't know. It's okay though. But anyways, day 17, guys. Let's make something that's going to cheer us all up a little bit. First off, let's welcome in Luther. Still speechless. I think Luther is mad at me. Yeah. I bought him a Christmas present. It's okay. He doesn't know about it yet, but we're going to set him up. So, guys, today we're going to make something pretty cool. We're going to make some flowers for springtime. We're going to make some beautiful sunflowers. Now, we're going to cut them out today. We're going to take all the pieces out of them, but they're not going to be painted. You'll see that painted tomorrow. I still got to figure out how I'm going to paint them. So, yeah, we'll see. I'm not a good painter. I like the old rattle can. Just saying. So, make sure you're getting closed space. And then, go watch TV. So, guys, let's welcome in our program. Here is what we're going to be making. Just simply 2 sunflower cutouts. The slots are just like the rabbits we made yesterday. And they sit together and they just sit on the table. Simply sit on the table. Now, there are some in this program that have like a little stem and a little base with them. We'll probably make those for springtime shows, and we'll show you all of those on the channel. So, this says it's going to take about 8 minutes and 45 seconds. So that's how it's going to cut it out. It's going to cut one out and then go to the other one. Again, it kind of skips around a little bit because of the heat of the laser. If you don't want to cut all in one space at one time, you may scorch the wood. Especially this stuff, we're using a little bit thinner material. These are the little sheets that we actually found at the Amazon restock store, I think on $3 or $4 day, and they're perfect, perfect size. So I shop there a lot if I can with this kind of stuff. So let's go back over. Let's remove that. We'll add Luther back in. Luther, anything? No. Luther is still mad. So Luther is going to get the spotlight, and we're going to get started. as you can see, boom, it cut out. It's done. This stuff cut out perfect. There's the first piece. Look at that. I like this thinner stuff. There's a second piece, and then it just slides together. Then you got a lace little sunflower. Sit on your table. Again, some of them have like a little stem to them, a little base. And we'll be making some of them this summer. But little sunflower, we'll paint her up yellow. Maybe put a little green and brown on there. And again, flat stack. Look at that. That's all it takes. You can put that in an envelope, in a cookbook, your back pocket if you need to, in case you need, a travel snow sunflower. So, guys, as always, thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell for notification, and comment down below. Bye.